The human body, it's one of the most incredible creations in the universe. Every second, your heart pumps blood through miles of veins. Your brain processes millions of pieces of information, and trillions of cells work together to keep you alive. But despite all we know, the human body still holds countless crazy secrets that will blow your mind. In this video, we'll explore 10 unbelievable facts about your body. Some are shocking, some are hilarious, and some are downright impossible to believe until you see the science behind them. Get ready, because your perspective on your own body is about to change forever. Fact 1. Your bones are stronger than steel. A cubic inch of your bone can withstand up to 9 tons of weight. That's stronger than steel of the same size. Even though bones are lightweight and flexible, they are designed to absorb shock and protect your organs. Fun fact, your jawbone is so strong, it can bite through things that would shatter normal steel. Bones are constantly regenerating too. Every 7 to 10 years, your entire skeleton is completely renewed. Fact 2. Your stomach gets a new lining every few days. Your stomach produces very strong acid, strong enough to dissolve metal. To protect itself, the stomach rebuilds its lining every 3 to 4 days. Without this amazing regeneration, the acid would eat through your stomach walls. This is also why ulcers are dangerous. If something interrupts the lining's renewal, your stomach can't protect itself properly. Fact 3. You have more bacteria than cells. You're not just human. You're also home to trillions of bacteria, living in your gut, mouth, skin, and more. These bacteria are essential. They digest food, produce vitamins, fight harmful microbes, and even influence your mood. In fact, your gut is sometimes called the second brain because of how much it communicates with your nervous system. So the next time you eat a healthy meal, remember you're feeding your microscopic helpers too. Fact 4. Your heart beats over 3 billion times in a lifetime. The average heart beats about 100,000 times a day, pumping around 5 liters of blood every minute. By the time you reach 70, your heart will have pumped over 200 million liters of blood. That's enough to fill almost an Olympic swimming pool. Your heart is truly a tireless machine, working nonstop from birth until the end of life. Fact 5. Your skin is your biggest organ. Your skin covers your entire body, weighs about 3.6 kilograms, and serves as a protective barrier against germs, UV rays, and injuries. It's not just a shield. It senses temperature, pressure, and pain. It also helps regulate body temperature. That's why you sweat on a hot day or shiver in the cold. Your skin renews itself about every 27 days, meaning you have a completely new outer layer of skin about once a month. Fact 6. Your brain communicates in milliseconds. Neurons in your brain can fire at speeds of up to 250 miles per hour, 400 kilometers per hour. This means your thoughts, reflexes, and reactions happen almost instantly. Ever touch something hot and pull your hand away before you even realize it? That's your brain at lightning speed, keeping you safe without you noticing. Fact 7. Your liver can regenerate. The liver is a true superorgan. Even if you lose up to 75% of it due to injury or surgery, it can regrow to full size. This incredible regeneration ability is why liver transplants are sometimes possible from living donors. No other organ in your body can do this, making the liver a real-life superhero inside you. Fact 8. You produce 1 to 1.5 liters of saliva daily. Your mouth is a tiny chemical factory. Saliva keeps your mouth moist, protects your teeth from bacteria, helps digest food, and even enhances taste. Producing over a liter of saliva daily may sound gross, but it's vital for your health. Fun fact, some animals produce much more saliva, like cows, which can produce over 40 liters a day. Fact 9. Your body glows. Literally. Believe it or not, humans emit a tiny amount of light, far too faint for the naked eye. This bioluminescence comes from chemical reactions in your cells. Scientists have captured it using ultra-sensitive cameras, and your glow even changes depending on your circadian rhythm, meaning your body literally lights up differently at night versus day. Fact 10. Your bones and muscles remember everything. Muscle memory isn't just a figure of speech, it's real. Your brain and muscles store movement patterns over time, making activities like riding a bike, typing, or playing piano easier with practice. This is why you never forget how to ride a bike. Even if you haven't done it for 10 years, your body truly remembers more than you realize. Your body is the ultimate machine, resilient, astonishing, and full of secrets. If you enjoyed learning about these crazy facts, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment which fact blew your mind the most. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of your own body.